In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Google AI Studio API key. Whether you're a developer diving into Google's AI offerings or someone simply exploring API integrations, having your API key is your entry ticket to the vast possibilities within AI Studio. Let's break down the steps in a simple and straightforward manner so you can get your API key in no time. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google AI Studio's website. This is your hub for everything related to Google's artificial intelligence tools and services. Once there, look for the option that says Get API Key. This button is your gateway to creating a new API key, so click on it to proceed. Next, you'll see a page with an option to create API key. Clicking on this will take you to the specific section where you can begin the setup process. Here, you'll have the opportunity to name your API key. It's important to give it a distinct and recognizable name, especially if you plan to manage multiple keys in the future. Alongside naming your key, you'll need to select a project. If you already have a project set up, you can simply choose it from the list. However, if this is your first time or if you need to organize your work differently, you also have the option to create a new project or even import an existing one. This flexibility helps in keeping your projects organized and manageable. After getting your project settings in place, the next move is to click on the Create Key button. Initiating this will set the process in motion, and you are almost set with your API key. Once your key is created, you'll find a link that will reveal a window containing the API key itself. Clicking on this link will display your new key. It's critical to remember that the API key is sensitive information and should be kept confidential to prevent unauthorized access to your projects and resources. To finalize, you'll want to copy the key. This can usually be done with a simple click on the Copy Key button. Make sure you paste it in a secure document or wherever you need to implement it immediately, as it's crucial to ensure the key is stored safely. And there you have it. Your Google AI Studio API key, ready to unlock a world of AI functionalities. The process is simple once you understand the steps and ensures that you are fully equipped to tap into the power of Google's AI capabilities. Remember to manage your projects and keys responsibly to maximize their potential and maintain security. Whether you're a seasoned developer or a newcomer, having access to your API key opens up endless opportunities to innovate and create.